In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy tool that can save you a lot of time, especially if you find yourself sending similar emails frequently. Let's dive right into the process and break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First, you need to open your Outlook and create a new email. To do this, simply click on New Email. Now here's where you craft the message you intend to use as your template. Start by entering the subject and writing the body of your message. You might want to think about what kind of emails you send often and structure this template accordingly. Remember, this is your chance to create a message that covers all your typical needs, so take your time to ensure you aren't leaving anything important out. As you compose, consider adding placeholders in your message. Placeholders are temporary spots that you can customize each time you use the template. For example, you can insert something like "Dear Name" with the brackets indicating that you'll substitute the placeholder with the recipient's actual name when you send the email. This keeps your emails feeling personalized without the extra effort. Once you're satisfied with your message, move on to saving it as a template. To do this, head over to File at the top of your screen and then click on Save As. This is an important step, as you'll need to make sure you're saving in the right format. In the Save dialog, select Outlook Template from the Save as Type drop-down menu, which will be denoted as POT-FT. Choose a recognizable name for your template, something that you can easily remember and identify later. After you've chosen a name, go ahead and hit Save. With your template all set up, let's talk about how to use it. Whenever you're ready to send an email using your template, start by navigating to the Home tab in Outlook. From there, click on New Items, then More Items, and finally, choose Form. It might sound a bit technical, but rest assured, it's quite straightforward. Here, you are going to select User Templates and File System. You'll be presented with a list of templates you've saved, so go ahead and pick the one you just created. When you open it, you'll see your preset email all ready to go. Now you may want to edit some details to fit your current recipient, like changing the placeholder name to the actual name of the person you're contacting. This is your chance to give the message any final touches it needs before it goes out. Finally, after making those adjustments, you're all set to send your email. Just click Send, and your customized email will be on its way. By using this method, you've streamlined the whole process, ensuring that even repetitive messages carry a personal touch. There you have it, the complete walkthrough on using email templates in Microsoft Outlook. With these steps, you'll save time and ensure consistency in your communications. Happy emailing!